Hey guys, it's Alex here. Are you sick and tired of wasting hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year on credit card interest? Well, guess what? Today, I'm blowing your mind with the top 3 balance transfer cards of 2025. And trust me, number 1 is going to leave you speechless. So don't go anywhere. Let's get into it. Okay, before we dive into the top 3 balance transfer credit cards of 2025, I need to introduce you to a special kind of credit card known as a balance transfer credit card. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about a balance transfer credit card? Well, let me tell you. Imagine moving your heavy boxes of debt onto a brand new shiny credit card that comes with a 0%. A PR introductory period for balance transfers. That's right, we're talking about skipping those pesky interest charges for 12, 15, 18 months or even longer. And here's the kicker. You can transfer balances from other credit cards and even personal loans onto your brand new balance transfer card. Your current credit cards with their high interest rates are like crowded boxes that are getting harder and harder to carry. A balance transfer card is like a flatbed cart that makes it easier for you to move your stuff. Not only can you fit more stuff on the cart, but you can also do it without getting out of breath. So why waste your time struggling with the boxes when you can use a flatbed cart instead? It's time to stop carrying that heavy load and start using a balance transfer card. Alright, now that you know what a balance transfer card is, it's time to check out the top 3 balance transfer cards of 2025. But before we dive into our list, I just want to give a huge shout out to 2 special supporters for helping us make this video possible. If you want to support us too, just hit the thanks button below. Okay, let's get started. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Citi Diamond Preferred card. This card is perfect for anyone looking to transfer balances from high-interest credit cards, personal loans, or even medical bills. With the Citi Diamond Preferred card, you can enjoy 0% APR for up to 21 months on balance transfers. The best part, there's no annual fee. That means you can transfer your debt onto the card and start paying it down without worrying about any additional costs. Plus, if you're not the type of person who likes to carry a balance, you won't get dinged with an interest rate either. The average credit card interest rate is currently around 23%. And since this card offers 0% APR for up to 21 months, you could save a ton on interest charges. So if you're feeling bogged down by debt and want to get a handle on your finances, the Citi Diamond Preferred card might be the perfect solution for you. Just remember that the introductory offer only lasts for 21 months, so you need to act fast to take advantage of it. Now coming in at number 2 is the Wells Fargo Reflect card. This card is a great option for those looking to transfer high-interest credit card balances. Pay them off quickly and avoid paying any interest. With the Wells Fargo Reflect card, you can enjoy 0% APR for up to 21 months on balance transfers. Additionally, this card comes with a ton of other perks like cell phone protection benefits and no annual fee. That means you can transfer your balance, pay it off interest-free, and still have money left over for other expenses. But that's not all. Gift cards or anything else you desire. Plus, with the cell phone protection benefit, you never have to worry about paying for expensive repairs or replacements if your phone breaks or gets stolen. On top of that, the Reflect card comes with fraud and lost card protection, so you can use it worry-free. And finally, the card has a 0% intro APR on purchases, which means you and have to pay any. Interest on new purchases for the first 15 months? It's important to note, though, that the 0% APR intro offer only applies to balance transfers made within the first 90 days of account opening. After that, a variable APR of 15.74 to 26.49 will apply. Overall, the Wells Fargo Reflect card is a fantastic option for anyone looking to tackle their debt while enjoying a range of perks. And now, drumroll please, for the top balance transfer card of 2025. Wait, hold on. Before I reveal the number 1 card, I want to remind you to smash that subscribe button and join our awesome community of over 4 million viewers. These viewers are taking control of their finances and achieving their dreams. Can you afford to miss out? Also, we've got a super exciting announcement coming soon. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button right now and stay tuned for all the updates. Alright, back to the show. And the top balance transfer card of 2025 is none other than the Chase Slate Edge card. With this card, you'll enjoy 0% APR for 18 months on balance transfers. that's not all. Chase will lower your APR by 2 percentage points if you make on-time payments for 6 months in a row. Plus, there's no annual fee, and you can even earn points for purchases. That's right, you can earn points while paying off your debt. With the Chase Slate Edge card, you can transfer your balance from almost any credit card, including those pesky store credit cards, and start saving on interest charges immediately. And the best part, you'll get an automatic credit line increase after 6 months of on-time payments. So if you're looking to pay off your debt faster, save on interest charges, and boost your credit line, the Chase Slate Edge card is the perfect solution for you. But wait, there's more. We've got a special treat for you. Here's a quick comparison recap of all 3 cards. We'll look at the intro APR, regular APR, balance transfer fee, credit score needed, and our rating for each card. Now you can see which card is best for you based on your needs and priorities. So sit back, relax, and let the numbers do the talking. And there you have it. Those are the top 3 balance transfer credit cards for 2025. Whether you're re-looking for the longest 0%, APR introductory period, the most perks, or a smart way to build credit, these cards have got you covered. But remember, a credit card is only useful if you use it responsibly. So don't bite off more than you can chew. Check out my video on how to destroy debt with the snowball method. It's time to take charge of your finances and start living the life you deserve. So don't wait any longer. Click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and grab your free stocks today. Till next time, happy shredding.